Yo, what is up, everybody? It is krabsfx. I'm back with another prop firm journey video. This is day 12 of the prop firm journey, and today we took a 1% loss on NASDAQ, and we're going to be breaking down my day today in the market. So pretty much this was my only trade for today. I did have a re-entry opportunity that would have played out great, but I didn't take it because it was getting late into my trading window. My trading window is from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And I mean, it was in my trading window, but it was at like 10:29. So it was very late into the session, meaning that volume drops off after my trading window. So I didn't really want to take another entry after taking a loss. I just called it there at a minus 1% loss. And so far on the account right now, we're down 0.39%, 0.4% pretty much, which is basically nothing, but we are back in drawdown a little bit, but it's not something I'm worried about. But right now, we're gonna journal this. This trade was taken at around 10 a.m., so it was taken a little bit late also. We didn't have any moves at 9:30 a.m. but that's okay. We're gonna be back tomorrow. We got next week as well. And this was a fair value gap fill, risking 1% as usual. Followed my rules. That's what's most important. And yeah, I'm gonna break this down first, and then we're gonna fill out the journal. But so what I saw here was we had a fully bullish bias, meaning that the previous 4-hour candle and the previous daily candle both closed bullish, meaning I was looking for buys today, only looking for buys pretty much. There was a downside move here when the previous day's high got swept, but I was fully bullish on NASDAQ, so I didn't even have a 4-hour candle closing bearish, so I did not take any sells, which is something I like sticking to. I like sticking to my daily bias and my 4-hour bias. So here was my trade. I entered at 10:15 a.m. Oh yeah, let me update this. 10:15 a.m. Yeah, so this entry was also pretty late into the session, so that's why I didn't want to take another late entry in the session at 10:29 a.m., which would have been down here, and this would have played out. But my original entry got stopped out here at this 4-hour fair value gap. I entered right when it got tapped into, so if we hop on the 4-hour, this was the gap right here. Looking back at this, I probably could have waited until this was fully filled, like something like this. Like my re-entry move made more sense because this was a pretty wide gap, and my stop was not below the gap, so it did make sense why I got stopped out. But I liked my early entry right on the gap, and right when we got a reaction off that gap, that's my fourth confirmation rejection. I liked my entry because I was fully bullish on the day. Like I said before, 4-hour and daily candles both closing bullish, so I was expecting a nice reaction right off of this 4-hour gap being tapped into, but price wanted to fill it all the way here and then react. So that's that. I mean, I took the re-entry, or didn't take the re-entry here, but that's all good. But yeah, accounts at negative 0.4%, 0.4%, which is nothing crazy. No crazy drawdown or anything. But we're just following our rules, sticking to the plan, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And also, I didn't see anything I liked on US 30. We did sell off nicely, but we didn't get my entry here, which would have been off this 1-hour imbalance, which is now a 1-hour fair value gap. So that was my ideal entry if I would have traded US 30 today, which I had no entries on. But as you can see right here, also this Asia high got swept at 8 a.m. and we got that downside move. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys aren't in my free Discord yet, make sure to hop in there. We're giving out trade ideas. Members are in here. Let's see, trade ideas here. We also got some free resources I dropped in here. My own trading journal. If you guys like the one that I use, this is what I use to track everything. It tracks your win rate, all that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Quick little trade breakdown today, day 12 of the prop firm journey to getting funded. But yeah, until next time, peace.